What a great packaging. Well, hello guys, and welcome to a new video. And again, I am unboxing a few of phones that I bought recently. So let's see what the first phone is. So the first one is VW580 from Sony Ericsson. And to the next phone. Well, I can say one thing, this is the best packaging ever. So this Nokia 7373, and I have a few of those phones, but all of them have a broken or scraped color from the top here, so that's unfortunate. I can't get my hands on one that is in really good condition. I mean, this one is overall in decent condition, except this. So this looks very ugly. So I'll just keep looking for one in better condition. And this is the phone I was thinking to show you the last, because this is one phone that I was determined to buy this lot, and I even got a charger finally for this old Nokia. And this is also a special edition. I hope you can hear me. So look at this beast. So this is an 8110, and not any 8110. It is D2 Platin Club, and you can see it has branding here, and it has a mark here. Not sure, can you see? It says series 2/2100. So is this possible that this is a second model that is limited to this bunch of phones? So I'm not sure, but I'm very excited to have this in my collection. And like I said, I finally got this charger, because I have a bunch of these batteries and bunch of these phones, and I didn't have a charger until now. So that is so cool. And look at this one. So I will definitely refurbish this one, and I will hopefully make some kind of overview or review of this old beast. It is not in the best condition. You can see it has a broken plastic here. It has been used, but I will do my best to fully refurbish it and add it to my collection. Next phone is 6030, and it even has a manual and the headphones. And this is an old Motorola phone. And the cool thing is, like I said, all of these phones are with charger included, so I can later test them all. And this is a second reason I bought this lot. It is this Samsung Vodafone phone that is actually powered by Linux OS, so-called Limo OS. And I'm not sure if any of these phones work, but I will need to test them. And this one seems to be complete, not in the best condition. Not sure can you see, but what you can So charger and the manual and the phone. And this is a Samsung slider phone. This is the E250V. It has a charger and it is in a used condition, not in the best condition. And one battery here. I'm not sure for which phone or for what, but okay. And I'm gonna throw this out. This is a very old and dirty. And what do we have here? It is an old Nokia slider. I'm not sure that I have this one in my collection. This is a cool blue color. And yes, this is Samsung, so probably for this phone. So all in all, I'm very happy for all of these phones that I got. They are not in the best of condition, but there is nothing I can do. I can try and refurbish them, and probably the star of the show is this awesome banana matrix phone that us collectors are very familiar with, and I'm happy that I managed to find this this edition that is probably rarer and limited than the classic black color. So I will try to make videos at least about this Samsung Limo OS phone and about this phone, and probably some of them I will also refurbish and show on camera one day. So if you guys have any more information about this phone, please leave them in comments down below, because I'm not sure that I know much about this edition or this Platin Club. And yeah, that's all for this video, and until next time, thank you for watching.